Hello dear students, I Dr. Anuradha More, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, Progressive Education Societies, Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune, welcome you all in today's lecture on classification of microorganisms. Students, in the classification of microorganism, in 4th century, the scientist Aristotle first to group all organisms and categorize them as either plant or animals. In 1735, scientist Carolus Linnaeus, who is a Swedish botanist, named thousands of the plants and animals and classified them in the kingdom Plantae and Animalia. He also devised the binomials, that is genus and species, scheme of nomenclature. In 1866, a scientist E.H. Haeckel, who is a German zoologist, proposed a third kingdom, Protista, to include those unicellular microorganisms that are neither plants nor animals. Protista contain bacteria, algae, fungi and protozoa, but viruses are not as a protista because it is a non-cellular organism. Bacteria are classified as lower protista and algae, fungi and protozoa are classified as higher protista. With introduction of electron microscope, it was made possible to observe the internal cell structure. It is observed there are the two types of cells, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cell, the genetic material was not enclosed by a nuclear membrane. And example of the organisms under this such a type of prokaryotic cell is bacteria. Here we are able to see the diagram for prokaryotic cell, in which the genetic material which is not present in the enclosed form in the membrane. In case of eukaryotic cell, the nucleus was well defined and enclosed in a membrane. Example of the organism with eukaryotic cells are algae, fungi, protozoa. Here in this diagram, we are able to see clearly there is a distinct nucleus exists in case of eukaryotic cell. Here we can see the comparison between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. In case of prokaryotic cell, the size of the cell is 0.5 to 3 micrometer. And in case of eukaryotic cell, the size is 2 to 100 micrometer. Here, in case of prokaryotic cell, the single cell exists, and in case of eukaryotic cell, the multicellular arrangement of the cell is observed. In prokaryotic cell, cell wall is present, which comprises of peptidoglycan and mucopeptides, polysaccharides. In case of eukaryotic cell, the cell wall is absent, and if it is present, it is in the plant cells and fungus, which comprises of cellulose, that is polysaccharides. In case of prokaryotic cell, the well-defined nucleus is absent, as we have seen in the diagram. Rather, nucleoid is present, which is an open region containing DNA. In case of eukaryotic cell, a well-defined nucleus is present, which is enclosed with nuclear membrane. In case of prokaryotic cell, a genetic material, that is DNA, which is present is in a circular shape and a double-stranded DNA is present. In case of eukaryotic cell, the linear and double-stranded DNA is present. If we see mitochondria, in case of prokaryotic cell, it is absent, and in case of eukaryotic cell, it is present. In case of prokaryotic cell, the ribosome present in cytosol, that is 70S. S is indicate the unit, that is Swedberg unit. In case of eukaryotic cell, it is 80S. Golgi apparatus, it is absent in case of prokaryotic cell and it is present in case of eukaryotic cell. Endoplasmic reticulum, absent in case of prokaryotic cell and it is present in case of eukaryotic cell. Mode of reproduction, in case of prokaryotes, it is asexual type of reproduction, and in case of eukaryotes, it is most commonly sexual type of reproduction. The type of cell divisions, in case of prokaryotic cell, binary fusion, that involves conjugation, transformation, transduction, and in case of eukaryotics, it is mitosis type of cell division is there. The lysosomes and peroxisomes are absent in case of prokaryotic cell and present in case of eukaryotic cell. In case of prokaryotic cell, the chloroplast is absent and if it is present, it is scattered in the cytoplasm. In case of eukaryotic cell, it is present and examples are the plants and algae. Transcription and translation occurs together in case of prokaryotic cell. Transcription, it is the process of making an RNA copy of a gene sequence. Translation, it is the process of translating the sequence of messenger RNA molecules to a sequence of amino acids during protein synthesis. In case of eukaryotic cell, the transcriptions occur in nucleus and translation in cytosol. In case of prokaryotes, organelles are not membrane bound if anyone is present. In case of eukaryotes, the organelles are membrane bound and are specific in their function. In case of prokaryotic cell, the replication single origin. In case of eukaryotic cell, it is multi-origin. In case of prokaryotic cell, the number of chromosomes only one, and in case of eukaryotic cell, it is more than one. Examples of prokaryotic cells are bacteria, archaea, and example of eukaryotic cells include plants and animals. Here we can see the Whittaker's five kingdom concept. All biologists have accepted the system proposed by Robert H. Whittaker in 1969 for classification of living organisms, except viruses. They classify all living organisms in 5 kingdoms based upon certain characters like structure of cell, mode of nutrition, the source of nutrition, interrelationship, body organization, and reproduction. In cell structure, they consider that either it is a prokaryotic cell or it is eukaryotic cell. The mode of nutrition or the source of nutrition, it is by absorption or It is by the photosynthesis that taken into the consideration. Then body organization and interrelationship, in that the bacteria are motile or non-motile into the nature, that parameter is taken into the consideration. And the type of reproduction, means it is sexual or it is asexual type of reproduction. These are the parameters are taken for classification by Whittaker's 5 kingdom concept. They classified the kingdoms, 5 kingdoms, that is kingdom Monaria, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Animals, kingdom Plants. Kingdom Monera is also called the kingdom Prokaryote, which includes the example of bacteria and archaea. The kingdom Protista includes the example of organism, that is algae and protozoa. All fungi are coming under the kingdom fungi. All plants are coming under the kingdom Plantae. And all animals are present in the kingdom Animalia. Here we can see the kingdoms, 5 kingdoms, that is kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia with its example.